60% of new managers fail in their first 2 years. Unfortunately, it's an all too common story. Organizations often assume that exceptional individual contributors will automatically excel as managers. But the truth is, leading others requires a whole new set of skills. The transition from individual contributor to manager is a pivotal one. It requires new competencies, a shift in mindset, and the space to develop these critical leadership skills. That's where Manager Essentials comes in. It's developed by HRD's leadership experts. It's a program that equips you with the playbook for success. Manager Essentials is built around the 6 spokes of what we call the manager success wheel, starting with self-exploration and then progressing to maximizing your effectiveness through developing your team. Manager Essentials goes beyond theory. You'll gain practical tools, build valuable connections with peers, and explore your leadership style in a supportive environment. The journey from individual contributor to successful manager doesn't have to be daunting. With the right support and essential skills, you can unlock your leadership potential and write your own success story. Are you ready to make the transition to successful leadership? Enroll in the Manager Essentials program today and take control of your leadership journey.